Eto na naman mga boss, bagong play turn NFT game. Kung may extra time ka, halika review natin to. Let's go! So ito na mga boss, Forest Farmer. So bago ko simulan to review na to, gusto ko lamang sabihin na your money, your choice. I am not liable to any of these NFT projects. The decision is still up to you. I am not promoting these NFT projects. I am just reviewing it. Okay, so it should be applied with accordance to the US law and also Philippine law. Now, guys, sa lahat na mga interested sa sunflower farmer, no, ng forest farmers, same concept lang. Basically, nagtatanim ka dito, tas kikita ka. So, mag-do your own research muna kayo mga boss, no, sa lahat ng interested dito. At kapag nagustuhan nyo naman, with your own choice, then pwede na kayong sumali dito mga boss, no. So, nasa inyo yan. So, nagtatanim ka ng tree dito, tapos mag-harvest ka. Tapos yung graphics mga boss, parang ano, no, parang may halong Pokemon din, no. So kung titingnan nyo mga boss, parang yung review natin na Fishing Town, so parang halos pareho silang ganitong graphics. So sana hindi na lang sila maka-copyright mga boss, no. But anyway, as you can see, you will use Matic, which is nice, no, as a testnet, no. So another big factor yan guys, no. So hindi lang BSC, Polygon din, which is good. So I really do believe that Forest Farmers has potential regarding the tokenomics, no. Kung titingnan yung token mamaya, explain natin yan. But of course, the risk is there. Kaya anticipate nyo lagi lahat ng NFT games. All NFT games has risk. So make sure you anticipate it. But right now, as you can see, if you love farming, if you love playing Farmville mga boss, kung nag-enjoy kayo nagtatanim lang, gusto nyo yung ganyang klaseng graphics, gusto nyo yung Pokemon type of gameplay, tapos mga boss, meron kayong spots, no, 5 spots in which mag-earn kayo ng FFM. Yung FFM, yun yung token dito. Alright? So, Polygon nga siya. So, hindi siya BSC, which is good, no? Kasi mga boss, yung mga NFT talaga, Polygon na talaga at ETH, no? So, hintayin nyo na yung program ko March 20, guys. And another thing to consider, mga boss, quick swap. Pwede nyo rin gawin dito, no? So, sa lahat naman naglaro ng Atlas dyan, may idea na kayo how to use quick swap. Kasi Polygon din yun, mga boss, no? Yung exchange nyo, kino-convert nyo na Matic, tas yung Matic, nililipat nyo sa ano, no? Binance, no? But anyway, mga boss, very detailed din yung white paper nila. As you can see the fern, bush, bamboo, oliver or oak, okay? And yung time, 1 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours, kailan ba siya? Okay, magkakaroon, no? Kailan ba tutubo, I mean. So, may level din yung farm, no? Farm level 1, so you can upgrade it. So, you will have more available slots, guys, which is nice. Also, mga boss, tingnan nyo, may golden apple tree pa, oh. Tingnan nyo, mga boss, 3 days yung pag-produce niya, yung time to grow niya, no? Another thing to consider, pag level 5, 500 slots ka na, tapos may special trees pa dito. So, special tree price, 6 FFM, mga boss, no? Ngayon, may claiming. So, may taxes dito. Kailangan yung taxes to make the game sustainable for the long term, no? So, yan yung i-note nyo paano mag-withdraw at yan yung taxes. So, less than 10, 25%, more than 50, 5% lang ang tax. So, mas maganda more than 50 para, mga boss, hindi ganun kalaki yung tax. So, as much as possible, you minimize it. Di mo na mawawala yung tax, Kahit sa parte naman ng buhay natin, di nawawala yung tax. Pero, as much as possible, you want, okay, to minimize it. So, kailangan gawa ka ng paraan, okay, to minimize it. Discard yan, no? In the legal way, no? So, yan yung staking, no? Ang staking, mga boss, in layman's term, magde-deposit ka na token nila at magkakaroon ka na reward. So, parang time deposit yan. Pero, mga boss, meron din tax dito. So, pati sa staking may tax, no? So, may stacking reward nga. Okay? So, you can see here yung number of tokens stake at yung level na farm mo. Diyan magbe-base yung calculator. So, make sure aralin nyo yan, guys, no? Sa lahat na ma-interested dito sa Forest Farmers. Yan yung tokenomics. Yan yung kailangan natin tignan. So, you can see. So, ganyan yung pagka-plan ng tokenomics niya. Hindi nakasulat, mga boss, na diniversify yung token, no? Kung sa marketing ba, yung budget, nasa ano nila, no? Private siya. Hindi siya nakadisclose, no? So, yan yung team nila, mga boss, you can see. So, ano rin, text din. So, hindi ko nakikita yung pictures nila, no? So, another thing to consider, guys. Kaya anticipate nyo yan. So, mag-Dior kayo dito. At least na-review natin na maayos, no? So, ito yung social medias nila. Sa lahat ng interested dito, pwede na kayo mag-join. Discord, Twitter, Follow them guys for those who are interested, no? This is Tanjo the Capital Master, your number 1 NFT coach, at maganda yung pagkaka-review natin dito. Honest review talaga, real talk. Ingat kayo mga boss, and have a nice day mga boss.